You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this German philosopher. If you want to learn more names from philosophy that are confusing and often mispronounced and you want to learn more, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So, the German pronunciation first and how you can say it in English. Johann, alright, so it's not Johann or Johann, alright, just replace the J with a Y. Johann Gottlieb Fichte. Johann Gottlieb Fichte. That's it, therefore the pronunciation in English, how to pronounce Johann Gottlieb Fichte. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.